Hi dear students, welcome to today's English class. Some of you have already completed a test on first lesson. You have done it well. And we had already begun the second lesson, okay, learning the game by an autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar. And we have seen how he got a chance to join the summer camp of his coach, Ramakant Acharekar. Okay, so he was not feeling comfortable. We have seen that, and how tight scheduled was the camp. Okay, and how he was practicing in the Shivaji Park. How he was practicing. അതൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞു. കുറച്ച് ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ തന്നിരുന്നു, അത് പലരും ചെയ്ത് എനിക്ക് അയച്ചു തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇനിയും കുറച്ച് പേര് അയക്കാനുണ്ട്, അവരയക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, let us continue with the lesson. Okay, this is an autobiography, so we are learning about a legend, how he grew up. Should be very inspirational. Okay, so give your attention to his words. Okay, get inspiration from him. Okay, as a child I had only one set of cricket clothes, and the routine was to wash them as soon as I had returned from the morning session. So Sachin, as a child, he had only one set of cricket clothes. Okay, and you have seen cricket kit and cricket clothes and so on. I think you are sure about it. No, you have seen this. This is a cricket kit. Okay, and cricket paraphernalia, all that. No, cricket, no, pad, cricket gloves, parts, different types of parts, helmet. Some of you have seen it. Maybe you have worn it. They are wearing all this for their protection. So he had only one set of clothes. While I had my lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun. So when he was taking the lunch after morning session, when he takes the lunch, it would dry in the sun, and I would wear them again in the afternoon. So again he would wear that dress in the afternoon. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that I could use the same set of clothes the following morning. And what is the meaning of that? When he come back after the training in the evening, again he would wash that clothes and get it dried. Okay. So you see, Sachin, no, he was not very rich. He had no money to buy. Maybe his parents had not much money to buy 2 pairs of clothes. So he was washing it regularly every day. After morning, washing, drying, and after evening, again washing, drying. No, the system worked well apart from my pockets. What is the meaning of that? Not work, but pockets. There were never quite enough time for the pockets to dry out completely. The pockets, extra layer inside, so it won't dry. And for the entire duration of the camp, I played with the wet pockets. So the entire session he was playing with the wet pockets. നനഞ്ഞ പോക്കറ്റുകളായിട്ടാണ് കളിച്ചിരുന്നത്. By the middle of the summer camp, sir had started taking an active interest in my batting. So by the summer camp, it reached almost the middle. The sir was attracted by him. So he was taking active interest. And at the end of 2 months, informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practiced all year around. Then he told Ajit that he had the potential. What is the meaning of potential? Capability. He had the capability of becoming a good player, good cricketer if I practiced all year around. However, my school, the new English school in Bandra, did not have cricket facilities, and sir was keen for me to change schools if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. So sir said, if you want to follow cricket, you have to change your school. Come to the school where sir was the coach. So if you wanted to pursue, what do you mean? Pursue means follow. Pursue, that is the meaning, pursue. Follow. Pursue means follow. If you want to follow cricket, you have to come to my school. Okay. One evening, sir called my father and put forward his suggestion. So sir called father and made a suggestion. Ajit was in the room with my father at the time, and they both accepted that it was necessary if cricket was to be my priority. So the father and brother said, okay, if you want to follow cricket, if you want to become a cricket player, you have to change your school. Cricket ആണ് തൻ്റെ priority. What is the meaning of priority? മുൻഗണന അല്ലേ? Prime concern. Priority means prime concern. മുൻഗണന cricket ആണെങ്കിൽ തീർച്ചയായും you have to change the school. My father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objections to changing my schools, I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. So, Achan Irithit sat me down and explained that he did not have any objection. He had no objection. Or if I want to change my school, I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. So, if I was serious about playing cricket, I should do so. Okay, if clause padichathaanu, so you understand this. Okay, I should do so if I was really. I assured him I was, and so it was agreed that I should move to Sharadasram Vidya Mandir, where Ajrekar sir was the cricket coach. So it was decided change my school. From New English School, I was moved to Sharadasram Vidya Mandir. And who was the coach there? Students, who was the coach there? Ramakant Ajrekar was the coach there. All my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket. All my excess energy, what do you mean excess? That is more. കൂടുതലായിട്ടുള്ള എൻ്റെ ഊർജ്ജം എല്ലാം ഗെറ്റിംഗ് ചാനൽഡ് ഇൻ ടു ക്രിക്കറ്റ്. വാട്ട് മീൻ ചാനൽഡ്? തിരിച്ചുവിടുക. എന്നിൽ ഒത്തിരി എനർജി ഉണ്ട്, ഒത്തിരി, അതെല്ലാം എന്തിലേക്ക് തിരിച്ചുവിടാൻ സാധിക്കും? ക്രിക്കറ്റിലേക്ക്. സോ ദാറ്റ് വാസ് ദ തിങ്, ചാനലിങ്. സോ വി ഓൾസോ ഹാവ് ഗോട്ട് മച്ച് എനർജി. വേർ ഡു വി ചാനലൈസ്? നമുക്ക് ഒത്തിരി എനർജിയൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ, നമ്മളത് എങ്ങോട്ടാണ് തിരിച്ചു വിടാറ് എന്ന് ചിന്തിക്കുക. വെറുതെ ഇരുന്ന് സിനിമ കാണുന്നതിലാണോ, വീഡിയോ ഗെയിം കളിക്കുന്നതിലാണോ? നമുക്കൊക്കെ ഒത്തിരി എനർജി ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ എക്സ്ട്രാ പണികൾ ചെയ്തത്. വെറുതെ ഇരുന്ന് ചാറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിലേക്കാണ് അതിൻ്റെ എനർജി തിരിച്ചുവിടുന്നത്. ഒരു ചാനലൈസ് ഇൻ ദ പ്രോപ്പർ വേ, ഒരു ശരിയായ മാർഗത്തിലേക്ക് അതിനെ തിരിച്ചുവിട്ടാൽ നമുക്ക് ജീവിതത്തിൽ വിജയങ്ങളുണ്ടാകും. അല്ല എങ്കിൽ വെറുതെ നമ്മുടെ സമയം പാഴാക്കുകയായിരിക്കും ചെയ്യുക. So channelize your energy. So that's what, no, which acted as a kind of safety valve. What is the safety valve? Valve that opens with excess pressure. നമ്മുടെ പ്രഷർ കുക്കറിലൊക്കെ സേഫ്റ്റി വാൽവ് ഉണ്ടാവും. പ്രഷർ ഒത്തിരി നിറഞ്ഞ് പുറത്ത് പോകാൻ പറ്റാതെ വന്നാൽ അത് തെറിച്ച് പോകും അല്ലേ. സേഫ്റ്റി വാൽവ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നതാണ്. ഇവിടെ എന്താണ് സേഫ്റ്റി വാൽവ് എന്ന് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്? സച്ചിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലെ എനർജി അത് വെറുതെ പൊട്ടിത്തെറിച്ച് എങ്ങോട്ടേലും പോകാതെ അതിനെല്ലാം ചാനലൈസ് ചെയ്ത് എങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് വിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്? It was changed into, channelized into, it is channelized into cricket. So, all energy after studying, after doing work, everything, he got again energy. All that energy placed into one thing, that was cricket. Okay. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the results. So, that was what father said. Without worrying about results, you make your best effort. റിസൾട്ട് എന്താകുമെന്ന് ചിന്തിച്ച് ടെൻഷൻ അടിക്കാതെ നമ്മുടെ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുക അല്ലേ. ഇഫ് യു ഡു യുവർ വർക്ക് ആൻഡ് ദ റിസൾട്ട് വിൽ ഫോളോ. ഓക്കെ, വി ഓൾസോ ഹാവ് ടു കീപ് ദാറ്റ് ഇൻ മൈൻഡ്. ദ ലെസൺ ദാറ്റ് വി ക്യാൻ ലേൺ ഫ്രം സച്ചിൻ: ഡു യുവർ വർക്ക്, then a result will follow. In my first year at Sharadasram, I played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. See, 55 practice matches in 60 days. My summer sessions used to start at 7:30 a.m. and end at 4:30 p.m. Morning, evening. My evening session would start at 5 p.m. after only a 30-minute break. So there was only 4:30, the session over, then only half an hour break, again 5 o'clock start. During the break, sir would often give me some money to go and have a vada pav, a popular Mumbai fast food. Only half an hour he used to give to Sachin. Sachin അര മണിക്കൂർ കൊടുക്കുമായിരുന്നുള്ളൂ. അതിനുശേഷം പറയും, if you can go and have a what do we call a vada pav. Vada pav കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? This is called a vada pav. No, something like, it's not a burger, okay. ഇതാണ് വടയും അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഒരു രണ്ട് ബണ്ണ വെച്ച് അതിനകത്തൊരു മുളകൊക്കെ വെച്ച് നമ്മൾ മുംബൈ വഴിക്ക് പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവിടെ കിട്ടുന്ന അവരുടെ റെഗുലർ ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റും ഈവനിങ്ങും എല്ലാം കിട്ടുന്ന ഒരു വടാപ്പാവ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ വടാപ്പാവ് ഈസ് എ ഫുഡ് ഓഫ് മുംബൈ. മുംബൈ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ വടാപ്പാവാണ്. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് എ വടാപ്പാവ്. ഓക്കെ, vadapav for popular Mumbai fast food, he could have that. Okay, between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. I would have 5 more net sessions. Towards the last 15 minutes, sir would place a 1 rupee coin on the top of the stumps, and if I managed to avoid getting out, the coin was mine. And sir would give another one interesting exercise or training. He would keep 1 rupee coin on the stumps, and if Sachin doesn't get out, Sachin could take that coin. In this session, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to me. So ആ ക്യാമ്പിലെ എല്ലാ ബൗളേഴ്സും വന്ന് ബോൾ ചെയ്യും. With some 60 to 70 boys fielding, and how many people were fielding? 60 to 70 boys. It meant I had to hit every ball along the ground to survive those intense 15 minutes. What is the meaning of that? He cannot lift the ball. ഒറ്റ ബോൾ പോലും പൊക്കി അടിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. കാരണം 50 to 60 boys are fielding. Anyone can take the catch. So everything he had to keep the ground, ground shots. ഗ്രൗണ്ട് ഷോട്ട് പഠിക്കാം. സച്ചിൻ്റെ ഗ്രൗണ്ട് ഷോട്ട്സ് വളരെ പ്രസിദ്ധമാണ്. അദ്ദേഹം വളരെ നന്നായിട്ട് ഗ്രൗണ്ട് ഷോട്ട്സ് അടിക്കും അല്ലേ. ഡൗൺ സോ വെരി കട്ടിങ്സ് എല്ലാം. സോ യു ഹാവ് സീൻ ദാറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ദോസ് I had to every ball, those intense 15 minutes. What is the meaning of intense? Survive means അതിജീവിക്കുക, no? Intense, severe, തീവ്രമായ. Intense, severe, survive, outlive. Intense, survive. So that intense, വളരെ തീവ്രമായ 15 minutes. Okay, winning the 1 rupee coin used to give me immense satisfaction. And winning that 1 rupee coin, that was giving me immense. What is the meaning of immense? Great. വളരെ വലിയ സാറ്റിസ്ഫാക്ഷൻ ആയിരുന്നു I used to get. Okay, immense means great. And taught me how to concentrate even when physically drained. So even when I was physically drained, what do you mean physically drained? When I was tired. When I was tired, I could. This gave me energy to stay. How to concentrate. At the end of it all, sir would tell me to run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park with my pads and gloves on. Then sir would ask me, you wear your pads and gloves. I have shown you the picture. Wearing all that, he has to run full circuit 2 rounds in Shivaji Park. That was the last part of my training, and I would be completely exhausted by the end of it all. By the end of the running, Sachin would be totally exhausted, tired, മൊത്തമായിട്ട് completely മടുക്കും. It was a routine I would repeat right through my summer holidays, and it helped me to build up physical and mental stamina. So this was very tough, from morning 7:30 to 4:30, then 5 o'clock again, the evening 7:30, then running again 2 rounds with all parts on his body. It was exhausting. So this helped him to bring a physical and mental stamina. Now Sachin, he has very much stamina. He used to stand for hours, batting, running in between the wickets. A cricket player needs more stamina and mental stamina. Sachin was very, he's a master cool. വളരെ ശാന്ത സ്വഭാവക്കാരനായി പെരുമാറിയിരുന്ന ആളാണ്. സോ എന്ത് സ്ട്രെസ് വന്നാലും അദ്ദേഹം വളരെ കൺട്രോൾഡ് ആയിരുന്നു. മെൻ്റൽ സ്റ്റാമിന അല്ലേ. ഈവൻ വെൻ പ്ലേയേഴ്സ് റിയാക്ട്, പലരും പ്രതികരിക്കുമ്പോഴൊക്കെ കൂളായിട്ട് അവരെ നേരിടാൻ. യു ഹാവ് സീൻ ഇൻ സം മാച്ചസ്, like a Pakistani fast bowler Shoaib Akhtar and all. Sometimes they used to speak bad words. Then Sachin was very cool. If you have seen those videos, you can know that. So he got this physical and mental stamina from this rigorous exercise. Okay, students. So that is enough for today. There are some questions here. The system worked well apart from my pockets. What is the system referred to here by Sachin? And what was the system? Just remember, coming back in the morning, washing the clothes, drying and wearing that, going back to the training, coming back again in the evening, washing the same dress, drying and going in. This was the system. Okay. Then why was Sachin asked to change his school? Because Ajrekar sir said if he practice whole year he will become a good. You can write that answer. What was the condition laid down by Sachin's father for changing his school? We have seen that his cricket I should do. If he was really serious about playing cricket, he should change his school. What did Sachin consider as a kind of safety valve? The safety valve was channelizing his energy into cricket. Okay. Then, how did the 1 rupee coin help Sachin to become a good batsman? So, that was that gave him great, immense satisfaction and gave him strength to concentrate when he was physically tired. Okay. What helped Sachin to build a physical and mental stamina? His rigorous training, his routine of training and concentrating on 1 rupee coin, etc. helped him. Okay, so this is a lesson. Just to complete these notes, learn the difficult words and come prepared for next class. Okay, learn well. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.